Remove the included scoop and brush from the water tank. The brush can be used to clean your Nanopresso of any excess grounds that can build up over time. The water tank also has a cup attached to it. Next, unscrew the portafilter and remove the coffee filter basket. Add finely ground coffee into the scoop. Transfer the finely ground coffee from the scoop into the filter basket. Be sure to clean any grounds off the rim of the filter basket. The next step is to tamp the coffee using the bottom of the scoop as a tamper. There should be about 4 millimeters of space at the top of the filter basket after you tamp. To ensure proper grind size, use a scale to weigh 8 grams of coffee. Next, put the coffee filter basket into the Nanopresso and screw on the portafilter. Make sure the portafilter is screwed on tight. Next, add boiling water to the water tank. Fill the water up to the line marked on the inside of the water tank. Screw the water tank onto the Nanopresso. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Flip the Nanopresso upside down and start pumping with slow, consistent pumps to build up pressure inside the machine. It should take about 6 to 8 pumps to get up to pressure. After about 20 to 30 pumps, your espresso will be fully extracted. You will know the espresso is fully extracted once you no longer feel resistance in the piston. Once the espresso is fully extracted, the crema should be smooth and golden brown.
Many coffee drink, so many coffee machine. Anything in Italy as long as we can pull off the perfect coffee. Think about the classic Moka Espresso, the Italian staple for coffee at home. This, Italian sides, American sides. Nah, kidding, I'm kidding. This is depending on how many people you have around. If you are a lonely person and doesn't like company, or you're by yourself, you're a bachelor, whatever, you're a single guy or a single lady, these little things is perfect for one person. Actually, people are taking these, something little like this, when they go camping for a few days. They bring one with a little burner and they make coffee in the morning. It's perfect for backpack, very practical. Then there is the 3-person version. Makes the same coffee for 3 people, 6 people, 65,000 people. In my house, I have the 3 one, because I always like a big glass of coffee, and I have the big one in case I have people over. I don't want to make my guests wait 3-4 times if there is 10 people. That's perfect, just use it for more.
Welcome to the Primula Cafe. Introducing the new Coffee Brew Buddy, the ultimate convenient brewing device for an effortless and great tasting cup of coffee. Anytime, any place. Just pour, brew, and drink. The Coffee Brew Buddy fits on most cups or mugs and makes a single cup of coffee at any strength. This innovative concept is not only the easiest way to brew a great cup of coffee, its slimline design allows it to slip into a purse or case, making the Coffee Brew Buddy the perfect brewing device, whether you're at home, the office, or traveling. All you need is coffee, a cup, and some hot water, and a great tasting cup of coffee, anytime, any place. The Coffee Brew Buddy does not require cartridges, pods, paper filters, or carafes. Its unique mesh filter has been engineered to create a large and deep surface area inside the cup for increased turbulence. Turbulence is water tumbling through the coffee grounds that creates that rich coffee flavor that brewers with the coffee above the cup cannot ever match. Using the Coffee Brew Buddy couldn't be simpler. Place the Coffee Brew Buddy on the rim of a cup or mug, add your favorite ground coffee in hot water, and then allow to brew until your desired strength is achieved. Making a great tasting cup of coffee is so easy and only takes a minute. And cleanup is a breeze too. Remove the Coffee Brew Buddy from your cup or mug. Discard the used ground and either rinse off or place inside the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe and reusable, so it's economical and eco-friendly. Primula and the Coffee Brew Buddy, promoting a more eco-friendly lifestyle through innovation. Primula, something extraordinary is brewing.